Hello everyone, my name is Pandan. Today I am going to show you my first code of Python and I will teach you tutorial of Python. Welcome to Spandan Python coding. Let's get started. I am using PyCharm IDE in here. If you want to use another VS Code online interpreter you can. So in this lesson we are going to learn how to print various statements. So to print various statements we need to type a function also known as print. So we are going to print a message hello world. For that you need to do print and brackets and then you need to write the text, but before that add double commas or you can add single commas. My preference is double commas. Then you can write anything you want hello world, and after you run this file you will get hello world written in the code. You can also print many operations such as addition and subtraction. For example, print, then the brackets. Then for numbers, you don't need the string, because if you try printing the string, for example, minus 9 minus 3, then it will print the same thing. If you remove the double inverted commas, it will become a integer. Integer is known as the numbers in Python. There are four types: boolean, string, integer, float. I will explain you. Print 9 minus 3, it will enter 6, because 9 minus 3 is 6. 50 multiplied by 50, it will become 2500. So we don't need a double commas or a single inverted commas for numbers such as decimals and floats. Another way is booleans. Booleans are a way of inputting true and false. For example, if we print, we have another brackets named if and else. So I will enter if student goes to school, print true, means the action is happening, else print false. I have written student goes to school, the answer is true. Thank you.